gonna clear up before we get started. The first one is, if you happen to have a camera, or a video camera, feel free to use it, yes, go right ahead. Take all the pictures you want to take. Now, the other thing is, there's going to be a lot of action taking place right here on stage. We don't want anyone to get run over, get hurt. So the kids and the adults, please stay in your seats while the show is taking place. Now, we're going to get rolling. Everyone here in this room is a member of a live studio audience. That means you're going to bark like dogs, you're going to stomp your feet, you're just going to go crazy. On the count of 3, I want everyone in this room to do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You were wonderful. They were okay. This guy was like clapping like a little seal. Okay, can you stand up for a moment, sir? What I want you to do is bark like a dog, stomp your feet for 3 seconds. Ready, go. Some barking now. Do you speak English? Little bit, okay. I guess they bark differently in his country. What we're gonna do to help them out is we're gonna start out really slow. Then we're gonna build it up until we blow the roof off of Nickelodeon Studios. And we'll start by stomping our feet. Everybody go stomp, 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 stomp. Everybody go clap, 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 clap. Everybody go That was wonderful. Now, we're gonna do it for real as we meet the star and the host of Game Lab. Let's hear it for Pat Carlin! Nickelodeon Studios, this is stage 17, home of Game Lab. We're going to play some games, we're going to see some slime, but before we do any of that, let me introduce you to some friends of mine. They're our lab assistants helping us out with the games today. Over here we got Janet, the Game Lab Orchestra is Rory, this is Leslie, back here we got Janine, and the big mouth of Game Lab is Michelle Robertson. Sit down, you don't even know her. Now I want to introduce you to our most important lab assistant, chosen directly from the same studio tour you guys came in on. Make as much noise as you possibly can, because here's Freddie! Freddie, tell all the kids over here what you're going to be doing with us today.
I'm going to get slime.
That's right. He's going to get slime. Now tell these guys over here what they want to know. How much a big network like Nickelodeon is going to pay you to do it?
Nothing.
Not a dime. That's right. That's our kind of town. You can go right over here and have a seat with Deneen. She's flagging you down. We're going to play a game that we're going to slime you. Thanks, Freddie. Our first game is a family bleacher game, which means everybody gets to play. It's called Pack Your Bags. Here's how it works. Janet and Leslie are bringing out some suitcases. Then all of our lab assistants are going to go to the top of the bleachers. They're going to give you clothing 1 piece at a time. You pass it to the person next to you, pass it to the person next to you. Everybody's going to touch every single piece of clothing. The clothes are going to zigzag their way all the way down to the last person in the bottom row. You're going to take the clothes, put them in the suitcase, put the suitcase in the trunk. You're ready for vacation. Now, we need to break up into teams. I'm going to put these 2 bleachers together because you guys look like you need all the help you can get. We're going to call you guys the adult team or the A team. Let's hear it for the A team. You're going up against this bleacher full of really cool kids. This is the kid team or the K team. Let's hear it for the kids. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set. Hang on, I'm sorry. Wait 1 second. Michelle? Michelle? Can you come here for a second? I have to close up at the top of the bleacher. What's this guy doing with him?
Oh, that's my new friend Jerry. You know, I was on my way up there, and all of a sudden I heard Jerry going, "Psst, Michelle." He said, "Why don't I take the clothes from you? Put the clothes in the suitcase, take the suitcase, put it in the back of the trunk. The adults would win the game, and they all agreed, right?"
Does that sound fair or unfair? Kids rule at Nickelodeon. You guys gonna let them do it? No! Don't think so. Take the clothes to the top of the bleacher. You gotta play fair. On your mark, get set, go! Job, really, really good, but the adults were lightning fast. They got their suitcase in first, they win the game. Yay! throwing the clothes? Whoa, hang on. Were you guys cheating? Okay, hang on. Would you tell us if you had? That I believe. Let's check this out with Michelle. Michelle?
Yeah?
Can you come here for a second?
Oh, sure.
Now, some of the kids seem to think that you guys were cheating. Did you guys cheat?
No way.
What's this?
It's gas.
Is that gas? Yeah, let's check this out. These are clothes, and they're from the game. This means the adults cheated. They're disqualified. The kids played fair. They win it. What do you have to say for yourself?
It was Jerry's idea.
Listen, we're going to play another game, but before we do, we're going to get right to the main event. Freddie, come on out. Have a seat in the center of the pool. Face the kids, if you would, please. Put your feet kind of out in front of you. There you go, perfect. Now, Michelle's been working on a new batch of slime. We're always trying out new batches for shows like You Can't Do That on television. She's a little nervous. Let's encourage her to get her out here. Freddie, go ahead and put your fingers in your ears so the slime doesn't get on your brain. And everybody say, hey, Michelle! It's slime time! Okay, here it comes. Oh, it's a big bucket of stuff. Michelle, first of all, this is the kid you're supposed to be sliming. Second of all, yeah, this is hard as a rock.
Well, I was talking to this kid right here in the little sweater, and he said his family's in the cold storage packing business, and he said, I was telling him about my mushy slime, and he said, well, stick it in the freezer. So I did.
So you put it in the freezer so it's frozen. Well,
Yeah.
that sounds easy enough to fix. Can we thaw it out?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, good. Give Michelle a big round of applause. She's working on it. We'll get it in 2 minutes. While she's doing that, we're going to play another game. And this is a game from Total Panic. It's called The Big Squeeze. I need some help. 1 right there, 2 right here, 3 right there, 4 right there, and 5. Come on down here. We're right over here on this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 5 more people to help me out, please. 1 right there, 2 right here, come on out. 3 right here, 4 right there, and 5. Come on down. Right over here on this line. Right over here. Right over there. We got 6 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 1 more person to help me out. Come on out. We're playing a game called The Big Squeeze. Here's how it works. We're going to give you guys some big rubber tubes. You're going to take them, stretch them, pull them all the way down over your body, step out of it, and pass it to the person next to you. Whichever team gets down to the end of the row first wins the game. Michelle's got the tubes. Pick a team and cheer them on. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Go, 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 go. Whoa, wait a minute. Lord, stop the music. No. Stop. Hang on. This kid almost squeezed the top of his head off. Sorry. Michelle, what are you doing?
Jerry said it would be funny.
Jerry, that's a riot. Can we get the regular tube from him? Thanks, Michelle. Sorry about that. Listen, as long as we're stopped here, we're going to go ahead and start over. Let's meet our teams real quick. What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff. How's your head?
Good.
What's your name?
Sarah. Amanda. Dia.
What is it?
Dia.
Dia?
Daniel. Jacob.
And over here we've got...
Danny. Megan. Catherine. Whitney. Brian. Tracy.
All right, pick a team and cheer them on. Make lots of noise for these guys. On your mark. Get set. Go. But they all did a great job. Give them a big round of applause. You guys can see. All right, now we're going to play another game. I saw Michelle head back into the kitchen, so we must have slime. Leslie's bringing out the pool. Freddie, come on out. Have a seat in the center of the pool. Face the kids if you would, please. Plug up your ears. Feet out in front of you. And everybody say, hey, Michelle! We want our slime! Michelle? What's going on, Michelle?
I got really excited about the game. You know, I was like in the moment there, and I left it in the microwave because she told me to thaw it out, and now it's dry and it's flaky, and it doesn't have to be Jerry.
Yeah, I can see the resemblance. Listen, well, it looks like we can fix that. Can we add something, or what do you think?
I can add water pad.
Okay, so we'll add a little bit. Hang on 1 second, Freddie. We'll add some water. We'll have the slime. No, Michelle. slime. Add the water directly to the slime. Add the water to the slime.
Okay, I can do that.
No, stop it. Not that slime, the other slime. Give Michelle a big round of applause. She's working on it. Well, she's here now. We're going to play another game. This is a game, fast food game we're working on called Kentucky Flying Chicken. This is Janet, this is Deneen, this is Leslie, and that is Lori. They're our lab assistants. Give them a big round of applause. They're working hard. I need somebody to help me who did not play in the last game. Somebody who did not play in the last game. Come on down here, and come on down here. Right over here with me, if you would, please. What's your name?
Kristen.
Kristen, do you have some adults here with you?
Yes.
Who's with you?
My mom and my dad.
Who's been getting on your nerves lately?
My mom and my dad.
Pick one of them to come down here and help us out.
My mom.
Ah, come on down. And the winner is, yeah. And what's your name?
John.
John, did you bring adults here with you? Who's with you?
My dad.
Pick one of them to help us out.
My mom.
Come on down, Mom. All right, now we're going to play a game where either the kids are going to be throwing rubber chickens at the adults, or the adults are going to be throwing rubber chickens at the kids. How do you guys think we should play it? Okay, this is the game we're working on, so let's vote on it. Make noise if you want the adults throwing the chickens at the kids. You guys are really into this, aren't you? Make noise if you want the kids throwing the chickens at the adults. That's how it's going to work. That means we're going to have you come right over there with Michelle. You're going to go right over there to Leslie. You're going to go over here with Deneen, and you're going to go right over there to Janet. She's flagging you down. Now, the kids are going to be flinging rubber chickens across the soundstage to the adults. How much time should we give them to play? 10 seconds or 20 seconds? We'll play for 20 seconds. The adults are going to be catching the chickens, hopefully, in their pants. Yes, those look lovely, lovely on you. What's your name?
Terry.
Terry, and where are you from?
Upstate New York.
New York. So you've worn pants like this before. They look good. Hey. And what's your name?
Donna.
Dana, where are you from?
Buffalo.
You're from Buffalo. Now, have you ever caught chickens in your pants before?
No.
Are you anxious to give it a try?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Now, ladies, you can move wherever you need to catch the chickens. Let's go ahead and give it a test shot. See how those slingshots work for you guys. Excellent! You have done this before. Who are you kidding? Nothing personal. We're just going to get that chicken out of there. Okay, now pick a team and cheer them on. Make lots of noise when these guys get a chicken in their pants. On your mark, get set, go. There you go. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies, drop your drawers. Let's count your chickens. You guys did a great job. Over here for the red team, what do we have? Janet. 5. Excellent. And what do we have for the blue team, Michelle?
22.
How many? 2. That means the red team won, but both teams did great. Give them all a big round of applause. Now, is that the kind of game that you guys would like to see on a Nickelodeon show? How can we make it better? How can we make it more fun? What do you think?
Slime in their pants.
You can catch slime instead of the chickens? Okay.
I think we should have 2 teams and catch crack in their pants.
Have 2 teams that have them catching gack in their pants, so make it a little bit messier, okay? What do you think?
Put the slime in their pants.
Put the slime in their pants before we even start the game and have it sloshing around. Okay, cool.
Put eggs in them.
Eggs inside the chickens? Or just throw the eggs?
Throw the eggs.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. So instead of the chickens, what do you think?
I think they should put dog food.
Throw some dog food at them, all right? What do you think?
I think that they can catch mud in their pants.
Mud. So if we use mud, dog food, slime, or get a little bit messier would make it a better game, more fun?
I think they should put gack or some gack and then catch it in their shirts.
Oh, have them catch them in their shirts instead of their pants. Okay. What do you think?
Put snakes.
Throw some snakes at them. What do you think, Brady?
They should put all that stuff together and throw it at them.
Mix all that stuff together. Ready? One more. We gotta be fun. What do you think?
Ants.
Ants. Ants in their pants. I get it. Okay, so you guys kind of like the game, okay, but if we made it messier, maybe some mud, some gack, some slime, some eggs, some snakes, would that make it a better game? Yeah! Okay, that sounds like really good ideas. Watch for it on Nickelodeon. Thanks for your help. Give these guys a big round of applause for helping us out. Ready? Come on now, we've got one more chance to get this right. Have a seat in the center of the pool. Face the adults this time. Maybe we'll have better luck. Put your feet out in front of you. Plug up your ears. And everybody say, hey, Michelle! We want our slime! I think we got it this time. It looks good. Oh, yeah. Thanks for coming to Game Lab. We'll see you guys on Nickelodeon. Bye-bye.
Okay, everybody stay in your seat. Let's give our host, Pat Harlan, a big round of applause. Okay, ready? I want you to tell the world how it feels to be slimed.
What?
I want you to tell